another installment of APAlert. I'm your host Adam Santella, and today's topic is the Dynamic V8 air cleaning system. In this video, I'll discuss how the Dynamic V8 provides energy savings, healthier air for occupants, and less filter waste. The Dynamic V8 is an economical and environmentally conscious solution, especially when compared to traditional passive air filters. I'm here to explain just why that is, so let's get started. Dynamic air cleaners use active field polarized media to remove even the smallest particles from the air. To understand how this works, let's first look at a traditional passive filter. Here, you can see how the particles are trapped on a passive media filter by collecting on the face of the fibers through collisions and straining like a sieve. This works fine, but it means that only the passive mechanisms of collection are employed, and almost half of the filter media is not utilized. That is where the dynamic difference is. Dynamic V8s use an active field inside the air cleaner to make the particles more attractive to both the media fibers and to each other. Here we can see the Dynamic air cleaner's media in action. You will notice that unlike the traditional face floating filters, Dynamic's three-dimensional charge filtration significantly improves cleaning performance and dust holding capacity by loading all the way around the media fibers. 100% of the fiber surface is utilized without reducing the open face area of the media. This is how Dynamic V8s get lower pressure drops and a longer filter life. Dynamic air cleaners achieve up to a MERV 15 performance rating while removing a higher percentage of dangerous ultrafine particles, biologicals, volatile organic compounds, and odors from the air. With their higher dust holding capacity, dynamic filters will typically last for 3 to 5 years without replacement. This is far longer than standard filters, which need to be changed several times a year. Cutting down on filter replacements reduces labor costs and downtime. Have you ever wondered about the environmental impact of your discarded filters? It is now more important than ever to minimize our impact on the world around us. The damage that discarded filters leave on the environment is often overlooked. With filter lifespan measured in years instead of months, Dynamic creates less waste than other filters, reducing the number of filters transported and dumped into landfills, which contaminate nearby water sources and create methane gas. We appreciate you taking the time to learn about the Dynamic V8 air cleaning system. If you have any questions or would like some more information, the APA team is here to help. Please reach out to us at apav.com or click the link in the description below. We look forward to hearing from you soon.